Hey, here we are once again. Rotten Animal Custom Bikes. I just wanted to share with you guys, I ordered some rims for the Black Widow. She's sitting pretty right now. I put those on last night. Added a disc brake and some shock, you know, just to give me a little something off the bumps. But changed the exhaust. I bought one of those other ones from Bike Berry, expansion chamber ones. Them right there. I was a little disappointed in it, actually. To be honest, the stock modified one works the best. It gives me a lot of low-end torque. But I have some rims here I wanted to share before I open them up. I sliced the box open, but I figured let me share this. So here we are. This is gonna go on the Black Widow. Okay. These are pretty nice. Wow. That's cool. Actually, I thought that they were... Oh, they are. Okay. Wow. Pretty cool. I think those will look real nice. Yeah, let's drop. These are the new 10-spoke. But that's what I got. And I'll hit you back when I put them on the bike. Later.